Jesus. Let me see.
I know it's not him. That's hilarious.
Yeah. Yeah, what's up, everybody? We got a special guest. I'm looking at dick pics right now. Giannis Pappas, Mikey Mush, Zach Isis, and then we have Danielle Monnier, a.k.a. Summer Rae.
From the former
WWE.
wrestler for the
Yeah.
WWE.
And she also posted a picture on her History Hyenas on her Instagram and tagged History Hyenas, and you guys know her. You guys know her. Our fans know her, and she will get fucking cracked.
No, the thing that I like about y'all's fans is I've been on there a little bit, but in the comments,
Yes.
the fans know what's up and they know who's going to do the cracking, and it's not you.
Exactly.
It's me.
But they
Yeah.
know
You're
exactly.
gonna get
That's
cracked
Yeah, I'm
open.
gonna get cracked open.
You're gonna get it put in a pile driver, and you're gonna get cracked open.
But it was
like Chrissy's going to be the one that
It
gets
was
cracked
funny.
out.
It was funny to speak to Danielle after she posted that pic, and it was funny to get texts like, "Hey, just a couple of questions. What does Ferrone mean? What does fumes no fumes mean? What does
Randy Moss.
What does Randy Moss mean? What does I'm going to crack you open and clean you out mean?"
Well,
So
I kind of understood that.
our fans are just. I like that. We were talking about this before. Our fans truly speak another language.
They do.
It's not
Yeah.
English.
Yeah.
No, it's
it's
great.
hyenaism.
And
Yeah.
it's good for the ego. Like, I felt really great about myself.
Yeah,
after
you're
that.
Yeah, 'cause
for
you're a
Rome.
fucking
I
piece.
was like, yeah. And
You
then
know you're a
I was
piece.
like, oh man, I'm waiting for a hater. And even the girls were nice, like talking about maybe becoming
Yeah.
a lesbian. I appreciate it. Thank
Hell
you
yeah.
guys. I appreciate
Yeah.
it.
The thing is, you're just lucky you're born in this era and not, let's say, first century AD.
Yeah.
Right.
Because unfortunately, you will be taken to become property of the state of Rome.
Yeah, unfortunately,
Yeah.
what we'll be doing, Giannis
Yeah.
would be walking, Giannis the
Unfor-
Emperor,
yeah.
and I'm the lead guy, I'm the lead soldier,
Okay.
and then we're riding on the back of Mike.
Yeah, Mike's
And-
Mike's holding the chair. I'm sitting in a chair
Yeah.
that's being Zach's on the back and Mike's in the front.
Yeah.
and you're the swordsman in the
I'm
front.
the lead swordsman,
Yeah.
and then Giannis would just a faint, just little finger, and he'd point your way, and he'd go like that with his
Not
head
even a
back.
finger, just a head motion.
Head motion,
Head
and then
motion.
You'd be there
You'd
with
be
your
taken-
family.
yeah, you'd be taken-
just
Right.
enjoying. You just got a baby goat. You're enjoying life, and then you would be taken as property
Right.
for Rome.
Yeah.
You would
Right.
be taken for
Is
Emperor
there
Giannis.
any
Yeah.
age? Was it 18 and up then?
Oh,
or no?
totally legal.
Totally
well,
legal.
it's Rome, so
Well,
I'm going to
in
do
Rome,
whatever I want because I'm the emperor.
Yeah, as
and
soon
I'm
as-
sorry, I'm going to get in fight for my marriage, but you're a piece.
You're a beast, and it's just what it is. In ancient Rome, it's like once you hit your period, so if that's 9, if that's 29, you're getting taken for Rome.
29.
Yeah, Zach,
Wow.
hit away, Jean-Jean, because we're on the borderline of legality.
Jean-Jean.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, we're saying ancient Rome.
But then are you part of the palace? Or are you a slave?
You'd be taken, and you're a sex slave in the basement.
It's what it is.
Oh,
It
so I
means-
want
Unfortunately.
like a cute outfit and I want all the meat and the food.
You'll have it. But
You'll
the
have
point
it.
is,
I'll have all the meat.
yeah,
Yes.
the point is you're so hot that there's nothing that can be done.
That's what for Rome means.
That's what it means.
But here's
you have
the
to be
deal.
taken for
You
the
have
state.
because you want to be so hot and prance
Right.
around in tight pants and be so beautiful and in shape, then you've lost all your rights.
Right.
That's-
yeah.
that's-
so it's like rape culture back in the day.
That's the balance. If you
Yeah.
want to be as hot as you are, then you lose your rights as a human
Right.
being.
Yeah.
Then
That's
you're
great.
taken for the men.
it's kind of hot.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's just what
I
it
will
means.
say I did a little lurking, and Giannis's wife is a major piece.
She's a piece.
Yeah, she's a piece. Yeah.
I mean,
She's a
I need to
piece.
work out with her. What does she
She
work
does
out?
work out.
jacked.
She would love to work
She's
out
so,
with you.
Yeah,
She
super
weighs her
jacked.
food like you weigh your
She
food.
weighs her food.
Oh well, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That makes me sound weird, but yes, I do.
Yeah, my wife does that too.
occasionally, but not like crazy, but like just to know like what 5 ounces is.
Yeah. Well, I admire the discipline that you guys have because my wife is like that. All she does, she knows every meal. At the
Yeah.
beginning of the week, she cooks out all her chicken. She puts
She's
it
a
on
hottie.
Yeah,
That's
she's
what
a
you
piece.
do.
How did you guys meet?
We
This
met.
is actually my podcast. Now.
no,
How did
yeah, you
guys
can.
meet?
No,
No,
ask
please
away.
do that.
Yeah.
I want to tell the real story, but I can't.
Yeah.
What's the real story?
Because she's like a little baddie, and like guys, if you can make a girl laugh, you can make her do anything, whatever the hell. But yeah,
She's we met. I used to do a lot more of them, but I used to I have this Greek character that got popular with Greeks,
Yeah.
so I would do these Greek shows. So she's half Greek, half Italian, and her parents brought her to the show
Okay.
because she's 12 at the time.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
no, I'm joking. No,
But that's how
not
you
at
know she's a
14.
good girl. No, but that's how you know Brittany, Mrs. Pappas is a
Not
good woman.
14.
Yeah,
because
thank
she
you.
was still hanging out with her parents, going do activities with her parents in her mid-20s.
Yeah.
That's just a
amazing.
good person.
Yeah.
So
That's
I
a
met
family
her,
girl.
I met her at the show. I did this show, and then she hit me on Instagram, and I looked at her photos, and I was,
She slid in your DM.
yeah, she slid in my DMs. I was living in Miami at the time. I was single, and I was actively trying to get an STD like Chrissy Chlamydia.
It's just what it is.
Yeah, I had a fucking floor-to-ceiling window apartment in Miami.
Yeah, he was just fucking toots were just coming in and out.
Yeah, so I saw her
Did
pictures.
she just at you, or did she slide in?
No, she actually commented on a picture. She was like, "I hope you didn't leave. My family wants a picture with you."
Oh,
Whatever.
she used the family excuse.
Yeah, and then
Oh,
I
it's
clicked
nice.
on her.
Touche.
Yeah, I clicked on her photo, and I was like, "Yeah."
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then
Danielle even has that hot girl smell. You know, all hot girls, they just smell like it's a smell you've never smelled before.
Yeah.
It's just
smell
perfect. Whatever
it.
it is, it's no, but it's just
I have no perfume.
It's just
on.
perfect. Yeah, whatever it is, it's just
Yeah.
perfect.
yeah.
Right? You know what
Well,
I mean?
I rode
Yeah.
the subway in from Flatbush,
Oh,
so I should
nice.
be a little smelly because I wore a jacket because I felt like people were maybe looking at me,
Yeah.
and just because I had Jordans on, I was getting hoot and hollered
Yeah.
at the Flatbush Deli.
Yeah,
That's
they
what it is.
respect sneakers here.
Yeah.
Big time.
Yeah, I mean, game. Yeah, I like
Now
it.
you lived out your dream to become Danielle's dream was to become a professional wrestler,
Which is
How-
wild.
Which is wild. How like we want to be
My dream
professional-
was to be a drag queen. I almost lived
almost
it.
got there.
With Marisa.
I wanted to be shortstop for the New York Yankees. And I
You're
didn't-
far away from that.
And I didn't make it.
Yeah.
But Danielle actually is a person who lived out her dream, which is fucking wild.
It is
Yeah,
wild.
It's weird. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I mean, especially I love when I meet people and they're like, "Oh, do you know so and so?" And I'm like, "Of course I do. There's 7 of us like girls,
Yeah.
and then there's like 80 some guys." So
Yeah.
yeah.
I used to
that's
jerk off
kinda
to
fun.
Sable when she came out in Playboy.
She's
Yeah.
married to Brock Lesnar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm not, if I'm to be crystal clear, I jerk off to him too.
yeah.
You look a little like. We always say he looks a little like Triple H.
Yeah.
But not like special needs trip, like your special
Right.
needs Stamos, special needs Triple
Yeah,
H.
we're
Is it
both.
because you have the Nazi haircut? I feel like Triple H doesn't have a Nazi haircut.
No,
Does
but
he
they
not?
have the same kind of blonde, big-headed. You know,
Yeah. No, he's massive.
Yeah.
Though. Like not saying you're not big and jacked.
but he's not.
You're
So it's
not.
what it
Not.
is.
Yeah.
Chrissy has the type of body when you see him in a shirt, you're like, this kid's jacked. And then he takes off the shirt, and he looks like your dad.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
it's just
you gonna
what it
take your
is.
shirt off for us today?
No.
No, but he has done all
Yeah?
that already.
Yeah,
Have you
we've
guys
done it
seen
all.
him with his shirt off?
Yeah, we've seen his piece.
Mike, yes,
I
you
mean,
have.
I
What
guess
about
so,
last
yeah.
night, Mike?
My eyes
Yeah?
are closed.
Yeah.
What about last night? Oh, okay.
Mike
No,
was, I
there's-
banged
there's
Mike out on my
Triple
left
H.
sack.
The thing is, Chrissy could
Triple
be
H
jacked.
was my boss. How weird is that?
That's
Yeah.
wild that
Where
Triple
was
H
I
is your boss.
walking? I was walking somewhere. After my fashion show, I'm here for Fashion Week, and we
Shout
were
out.
walking with my old management, and they were someone said something about Triple H. I was like, that was my boss, and I traveled the road with these people. That is not reality.
That's wild
That
when
is
your
such a
boss shows up in
distorted-
fucking a bikini,
Yeah.
one piece. He's
Well,
like,
now-
get back to work.
now
And you're like,
he's in
you got a
suit.
small
now
piece.
He's like in a suit
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah.
But it's interesting.
He does have a small piece.
How do you know he has a small piece?
Because in
But
the
you can
rest,
tell in
you
the
could
shorts.
tell, like in the shorts, he's got a small piece.
well,
Because he's blocking it with the
but
repost
aren't there
right
growers and showers? Like, there's a big difference. Like, you
I
Yeah.
can
think
have like,
steroids has a little bit to do with that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Steroid shrink your piece?
we
Yes.
now in WWE there's a strict drug test policy.
Don't even say a small piece rule.
But I mean that's Triple H. He can do what he wants. But also I'm not saying that, so maybe
No,
I
we're
should not
joking.
say that
So
on the
I-
podcast.
I know you can't
Maybe
say-
we cackle that.
No,
out.
yeah,
I don't know.
Danielle's doing. She's doing a character
I'm
piece.
doing my yes.
She's
Yeah, but you don't work for
yeah,
them
Loud
anymore.
14. She's joking.
no, but I don't burn bridges, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back.
She's a
eventually.
firefighter.
Are there, you don't have to,
Ooh,
obviously,
that's
no names.
breaking news. Everyone always asks me that. Like, would you ever go back?
Are people,
yeah.
do the wrestlers ever bang out on the road?
Of course.
That's kind of who everyone dates. Like, usually, I mean, you're with each other 300 days a year. So we travel, there's no off season. So NBA players, NFL players, like, they have way better schedules than us. So, yeah, you're on the road, like, all the time, going to Japan, going to Europe. So I get why people do it. I never personally dated anyone. I had a boyfriend the whole time I was there, except for like a year. But yeah, I mean, for me, I would want to like be able to escape it. Like when you go home, you don't want to like only talk about comedy and like kind of, maybe.
What about
I
a
don't
fan?
know.
You think any of these guys ever banged out a fan?
Oh yeah.
1,000%,
Oh,
right?
yeah. That's
What
what
about a
about guys
gr-
at most? We call them ring rats.
Has
Oh,
a female
they're
wrestler
like-
ever banged
Yeah.
out a fan?
We got
Has a
chuckle
guy ever
fuckers.
gotten lucky? A guy fan banged out a wrestler?
Maybe
That's sick.
I hate that. And like when I'm like,
No,
trying
it
to,
never
like,
happened.
If I'm like dating and stuff, if you're a fan, like it's not gonna happen. Oh, that's really mean. I just crushed everyone's hopes and dreams.
Yeah.
But
Well, the dick pic
Well-
from the guy you
Yeah,
just saw
so
me.
yeah,
I mean,
if you notice, Mike emoji face just backed up slowly because that's what your wrestling fan looks like right there. And I bet you if you check your DMs right now, you got a few hits from Mike Suarez.
that's not true. I think There's tons of different
Mike V. Suarez on
wrestling
Instagram.
fans.
Yeah, Mikey Suarez, emoji face.
Vince Vaughn's a huge wrestling fan. Conan O'Brien, huge wrestling fan.
We're
Like
all
the
wrestling
You never
fans.
know.
I was a
Yeah.
huge.
Everyone should be at some point at the
It's the
wrestling's
best.
amazing.
It's the best
For sure. But if it's a guy that like actively watches now and like accidentally calls me Summer, I'm like, that's just like a little weird for
Yeah.
me. But like you guys, I think guys usually like it maybe.
Yeah.
Like I don't know, like you guys meet people at comedy shows, so you
Well,
probably...
we call them chuckle fuckers.
Chuckle
Those-
fuckers,
Those
yeah.
are chuckle fuckers.
Is that what we
There's-
call them?
Yeah,
So
they're called
there's
chuckle
ring
fuckers.
rats for us,
Yeah. Uh-huh.
hockey's puck bunnies. What are the other ones?
Lot
Chuck-
lizards.
What's that? For
Isn't that
NASCAR?
when you just? No, I think that's just a truck stops.
Yeah.
There's
Oh,
there's
yeah.
also the Rambles, which is where some gay activity goes on at Central Park.
But
Yeah.
so are the comedy girls hot? Because this is really mean, but the ring rats are not hot.
No, the comedy girls-
Especially in Europe.
There's a couple of comedy chuckle girls that are
Well,
hot.
yeah, but I mean, comedians are just we're not that good looking or cool comedians, so we don't attract
Comedians
like
get chicks.
kind
You
of.
get chicks.
Well, Chrissy Cackles is an exception, a big exception. If you saw the comedians it's just a parade of mental illness.
Right.
When you see
Good call.
comedians,
And
yeah,
narcissism.
and narcissism, so they're not cool. Chrissy's an exception.
Right.
I would say he's more the rule.
Right.
I mean, less the
No,
rule.
there's a couple.
I get chicks too, but now I'm married.
But
Yeah,
there's
you're
a
a married
couple
kid.
comedians that have like slid into my DMs that have.
Who?
And I don't get comedians that go in my DMs, but I could tell like most people are scared to hit on me. So I feel like there's some like cute non-losers.
Not the kids
I
sitting
said
across the table
I
from you.
slid right into your fucking DMs.
Yeah, he does not care.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck.
How many babes did you get in that first DM? What's up, babe?
Oh yeah, no, I hate that.
Yeah,
like I
yeah.
told him, I was like, don't ever call me.
But he
babe.
calls me babe too.
Oh.
If it makes you feel better,
No,
he calls.
he calls the guy at the corner store babe.
Yeah, he calls me hun
He
too.
calls all the babe. You know what's annoying is the babe is like cute at the beginning. Like it's cute off the bat.
Right.
Like I hate that I was like,
Yeah.
oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
Like-
I got
I mean, I'm no idiot. Like I know he calls everyone babe.
Yeah.
But
Even
I'm like,
guys, too, though.
Oh yeah, no,
Yeah.
I know. And like animals or whoever, yeah. Like
Yeah.
whatever he's into.
Yeah.
But yeah.
His cousin's
it's
gonna throw him out of a
interesting.
window too.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
a
You're gonna have to. Can you
complete-
come with me at Thanksgiving and Christmas? Because I may need protection from my cousin.
Your cousin, the ladder 14.
Yeah, she's gonna throw him
Yeah.
out a window. Ladder
Which was a
14.
character piece, you know.
It was a character piece. It was a character
I
piece.
do love.
Yeah.
I like White Zinfandel too.
Yeah. So does your mother?
My mother does like White Zinfandel.
Yeah?
I have a white trash family.
Yeah. Well, I'm from North Carolina. So.
Yeah.
That loves white.
So
White
let's
Zinfandel.
let take us on this journey. You grew up in
Yeah.
North Carolina.
Oh no, I was born in Manhasset, Long Island.
Oh, that's right. You're
Wow.
from. You're from out on the island.
Yeah,
She's
the
from out on the
island.
Shout out Smithtown Water
Shout out
Department.
Smithtown Water.
Every time we would have, well, when I played in the Lingerie Football League, we played at Nassau Coliseum too. So, and then when we go back with WWE, I would like rep Long
Yeah.
Island for a second, and then people would try to talk to me, and I was like, oh, I only lived there till I was 2.
Can we
Yeah.
pull up a picture of Danielle
But
in the
you're-
Lingerie Football League and
Yeah.
Mike just try to fucking
Don't
say
go
come.
pewing. Just don't go
Don't go
pewing.
pewing.
Let me. So your
Yeah.
parents are from the island? They're from.
No,
Long-
so my mom's from England and my dad's from France.
Wow.
Which they, yeah, usually those two countries
Yeah.
don't get along.
Wow.
So the grandmas, and yeah, it's an interesting.
Which one's from France
dynamic.
again?
My dad,
So
born
you-
in Paris. Monet.
Wow.
He said it wrong at the beginning because he's American, but yeah,
I mean,
Monet.
he get tripped up. His accent trips him up all the
Yeah.
time.
There I am. I can't believe we played in that. So it's not really lingerie. It's
Did you have to learn how to
Little-
play football though? Like
oh yeah, like so I played defense and we had cover 3, cover 2. Like I know a lot about football.
and their coach was like a football coach.
yeah, he's psychotic.
What did you
This
you
is me.
every day?
I mean, I'm not going to do anything and not be the face of something and not be the commercial and not be. Well, I just stopped myself. We
No,
can
go.
tackle.
Let it go.
Right,
Let
yeah,
the
not
ego
go.
go.
This is
Let
what
it
the
go,
most-
babe.
most
No, come on, let her
successful
rip.
person that
Let
has
her rip.
ever
just
been in
just
the
imagine
NFL.
this is a German
But,
flag in
Yeah,
here.
just imagine you're up on a pedestal and there's a bunch of people going.
Just make believe you're invading Poland.
She just
tomorrow.
went like, I will not be part of something unless I'm the top person, the
absolutely.
face of it, and everyone is below me.
yes.
I'm Summer Rae.
There's a large group
It's
of people
true.
that are hot.
Yeah. So to answer your question, we got yelled at. I would always like the first 2 plays. I'd really get like it's full contact 7-on-7 football. So I get my bell rung a little bit, and I need someone to like fucking hit me, and then or my coach to like yell at me in my face, and then it was game on. Like I was psychotic.
Were there a lot of injuries, like how
Yeah,
they're
it
on
was
the
like
NFL?
everyone.
Like girls would break their arms and shit.
MCL, ACLs, like,
Shit.
and there was only like $2,000 insurance or something, like something crazy.
How many games was it?
We only played like a couple games, but you just had to practice so much because it's all these girls that, I mean, you can't just like know I'm
No,
on
yeah, you gotta
offense,
know what
I'm
you're
on
doing.
defense. It's like crazy our playbook. They never even gave me the offensive playbook because I can't catch anything. So, but then the first game of the LFL in 2009, I caught the interception to win the game, and I was like, "Can I get the offensive playbook?" And they were like, "No."
So you're like,
How many seasons has it?
I don't
Was
know
it?
if it's still around. Like,
It's not a thing anymore,
Mitch is
right?
cool. I mean, we were on MTV too. So to answer your question, Long Island, North Carolina, went to school, went to college like a good girl, worked for Ferguson Enterprises, so I can do bath, wholesale plumbing. I can solder copper pipe,
Damn.
have plumber's crack, whatever.
yeah.
So then I was like, you know what? No one's going to live your life for you. I'm going to quit my job and move to Chicago. Never been in Chicago, didn't know anyone. And that's when I started like doing a little bit of everything, working at Nordstrom, modeling, joined the LFL, and learned how to play football. And I'm a huge Chicago Bears fan.
Well,
By the way,
where'd
now
the
it's
rest
called
of-
the Legends Football League, not the Lingerie
Yeah,
Football
so
League.
yeah.
Wait,
that's
I
a
interviewed
little-
these girls on 2 Point Lead.
The Legends?
We Legends Football League.
Yeah.
I mean, just
So
call them
they
the Lingerie
changed
Football
it.
Let's just
League.
call it lingerie.
What the fuck are you
Yeah.
doing? Like, do we
And the
really have to do
girls-
everything, you know?
Yeah.
Does it really need to be, come on.
It's
Go
kind of
ahead.
like they changed for WWE Diva. They changed it to Superstar, but
It's like, we
I
know what
love-
it is,
I always wanted to
okay?
be a diva. I didn't
We
want
know
to be
what
a
it
Wait,
is.
here-
There's
here
never
it
going to be a
comes.
woman that runs this country.
Wei Zhongzhen.
I don't
Thank
have,
you.
I don't have my headset on. So I don't have
Yeah,
we hit the
it's a Wei
Wei
Zhongxin button, yeah. So,
I picked up the lingo pretty well.
Right.
Listening to it. Moving vegetables was harder to understand,
Yeah.
but I eventually got that. There is one thing that I don't understand what it is, and I've really tried to understand it, and I don't get "Hey Bert," but I know.
Yeah.
I know when people cut themselves off. They
Yeah,
are like
so-
like when you call people and they end the conversation and they "Hey Bert" themselves.
Yeah.
So so this is what I think it is.
you guys don't hear it.
Okay,
You should
okay.
be wearing headphones. You're missing a lot of good stuff.
Go, I'll put that.
ISIS is going wild.
All right, go ahead, do it.
Yeah. He already hit it. I mean, it's all about timing.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's like Bert and Ernie, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what I think it is when you're like a little special
Okay.
needs.
Yeah,
Okay,
a little bit.
yeah.
Yeah, you're barking up the right tree.
Perhaps. And so I can't hear myself think. And so so maybe like special needs or like it was someone that worked here also, I feel like.
Kind
Yeah,
of.
yeah.
And they
close.
got fired or
Yeah.
something.
Well,
And he probably will be listening to this episode because he's a big wrestling fan.
Oh, great.
So, yeah, there's no way out now.
I would love to send him something. Should I send him like a signed?
he would
8x10?
actually love that.
That might make it
You know-
worse or better. I don't know.
He's probably
Yeah.
regretting feeling exploited for this episode. He probably wanted to be here.
Yeah.
Shit, he
but
Bert.
I feel like any fan would like to be something on your show, even if it was like
So
you're
Hey
making fun
Bert,
of
so
him.
who?
Yeah.
Hey Bert's a good friend of ours, a
Yeah.
comedian,
Okay.
who would come on.
Oh, he's not like a kid.
No.
Oh.
No. Well,
Or
no.
intern.
No.
No, he's our friend. He's our equal. He's our peer.
Yeah, he's a great guy. He's our
he
friend.
lives with
Yeah.
us in Bay Ridge. He lives very
Oh,
close. He's
great.
like one of our three amigos, and he used to come.
His
on the
head's just shaped like the puppet Bert.
Bert from
Oh.
Bert and Ernie.
So we started calling him Hey Bert.
And then he
Oh,
said, and there he is right there.
All right. I'll show you. I am Bert. I'll show you. Just David.
Oh yeah. So he's not like I thought it was like an intern that did a bad job and like got fired or
No, but,
something.
but that is what a ring rat looks like. No,
Not really. No, ring rats are usually girls that the boys fuck.
yeah, I mean, if you throw a wig on, that's what a
know?
ring rat looks like.
Yeah,
No,
yeah, no, probably, yeah.
I mean that
Especially
kid's a
in
huge
Sweden.
wrestling fan.
He's a huge wrestling fan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's he? Oh, he lives here in Bay Ridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe you'll meet him one
Yeah.
day.
So
Did he know who I was?
Oh, he knows
Oh,
who you are.
oh, yeah.
There's no question he knows
Oh,
who you are.
that's
Yeah,
great.
he went Coco.
Yeah, he
And
knows
does he like me better dark hair or blonde hair? These are the things we
I'm
need
gonna
to
ask
know.
him. I'm gonna ask him.
Should we call him up or is that
Yeah. Well, what time? Well, what time is it? 3:18. He's probably either walking to the gym or walking home from the gym.
It's
he's
what it
jacked.
Or
is.
he's on the elliptical, or he's eating at Panatico.
So is he more jacked
Hy-
than you?
Hyperventilating
No, he's
because
not
there's no
jacked.
nut. He thinks there's nuts in the pesto sauce.
So the Hey Bert time limit is one episode that Chrissy wasn't here. We were doing he would talk and then I would make Isis play the Hey Bert, which gave him said it's time for him to stop talking. So it became
Sometimes he rambles about nothing.
it became the
Right,
Hey Bert
right.
time limit.
Right,
And
right.
now we do it for calls.
Oh, I'm gonna start giving my grandma the
No,
Hey
but
Bert.
now,
Yeah, just say, "Hey, Bert."
But the thing is, what's fueled it,
Yeah.
and from our fans, and a little bit honestly from us, is because he doesn't like when we do it.
Oh.
So it's kind of that we should stop doing it. What are you going to do now?
I'm just calling him to see. Let's just see.
My favorite
No,
paper
no.
cup.
You can't do it while he's Let's just see, because this would be a dream for him.
This is James. Please leave a message. I will get back to you.
Yeah. What's his name?
Do it in this. Yeah.
James.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey, James, it's Summer Rae. I'm here on the History Hyenas podcast, and I'm really upset that you're not here because the only reason I told them I would come on the podcast is because of you. I thought I was going to meet you. I saw your Instagram post, and, to be honest, I like a bald head. What can I say? So call us back if you get this in the next 30 minutes, and I promise I won't hey Bert you.
Hebert.
Yeah.
My bald head.
He's gonna love that's gonna make his life.
Well, the
love
end, the Hey
it.
Bert thing, at the end, when she says Hey Bert, he's going to get furious.
He's gonna
again.
get furious,
Yeah.
but it's got a life of its own. We don't.
And
We
guys-
try
I
to
mean,
stop it.
If whatever
Stop
gets you
right-
famous, gets you famous.
That's what we're saying.
That's what we were trying to say.
yeah, ride the wave. He can make his own merch.
My favorite
and
paper
not
cup
give you guys
collection.
any of it.
Yeah, ISIS is going wild today.
So and do not, any of our fans do not write Hey Bert or anything like that on his Instagram anymore. You guys have to stop.
yeah, just
That's
please.
just gonna make them do it more.
I
Yeah,
know.
no, I know.
We
We
know
were
that.
saying it.
Like, did you see Chrissy Teigen and Donald Trump today?
No.
Oh, and John Legend.
Were they a couple?
Oh my God, no. So Donald Trump 2020, he went on.
Yeah,
this
can't
morning.
wait.
this
She
morning
means
it
or
too,
last-
yeah.
Yeah, 4 more years of glory.
Last night he went on Twitter, and I guess he was watching some special on MSNBC or something, and he wrote this tweet about just talk shit about John Legend, and then he said, and his foul speaking wife didn't even put Chrissy Teigen's name, so now they're starting the hashtag. I think it's pussy ass president or something. But they keep saying don't write this, and now it's trending across
Right.
America.
You got to
So
just
you-
go with what happens
So if you
organically.
tell the fans not to write Hey Bert, they're gonna write Hey Bert.
Oh, we
No,
know
we
that.
know.
Yeah,
We
we
know.
know that all
Like
too
it.
Yo,
well.
we
What is it? What's the hashtag? ISIS pussy.
I like she just called him ISIS.
she knows the pod.
comfortable. She knows the pod. Yeah.
Well, I've only listened to
female
a couple.
Are you a Patreon member? Oh no, you're never going to listen again.
No.
So here's the deal about. No, I mean I will.
Okay,
But
thank
here's
you.
the deal.
Listen to this episode.
Patreon in the communities outside of comedy is for sexy nudes or pictures that are more racy.
Really?
So
Really?
when I,
Well,
yeah,
that's a
so
new level that we can-
So
okay.
Instagram models and girls that have 4 or 5 million followers on Instagram, they're always swipe up for my Patreon, and I've never swiped up, but I assume it's nipples and stuff. I don't know.
No, you're right. Probably. Yeah.
But yeah, so when I heard you guys saying Patreon, I told Chris, I was like, I feel like that's the dirty website. I didn't know. I was like, what are you guys doing on there? What's this dirty
well,
website?
it gets a little more wild, is what
Yeah.
happens over there. Yeah,
That's good.
We're a little more uncensored over there, and we do bonus
Right.
content, but no nudes yet. But
Right.
maybe we do a high level.
For I said for
$1,000
$1,000 I was going to
We
send a
get
picture of my
minus?
open asshole.
Look, me and Chrissy will dock for $5,000 a month.
It's what it is.
You want to do docking videos?
I'll dock with you for
Yeah.
$5,000. So you're saying it's perfectly legal to put nudes on Patreon because people are paying for it.
Well, that's what the girls say it suggestively. They'll put the camera. Girls love their angles with the boobs to make
Yeah.
it good, and they're swipe up for exclusive content. You know about this.
Mike knows. Yeah, Mike
Mike's
knows.
like, yeah,
Mike
absolutely.
knows.
Mike thinks he's like, yeah, I didn't want to say anything. Yeah, he's like,
But it's that's
Summer,
what
do you
I
have
know
a Patreon?
Patreon as. So when they started saying Patreon, I was like, do you know that girls kind of use it for that? And he was
That's
like,
what
no.
most YouTubers and cosplayers do with their Patreon.
Yeah.
It's just see them with their tits out.
Make
Someone
no
tried
mistake.
to make me cosplay wrestle recently, and I was like,
Mike,
no.
Make no mistake, Mike has definitely sniffed her Instagram profile through his phone.
it's what it is. Make no mistake. The only reason we've been so kind of floored
Yeah.
by how much Mike knows about Patreon and the ins and outs, and now we know exactly why.
Yeah.
because he's a member of a few Toots Patreon,
That's what it is.
so he knows what's going on.
It's called SLOKS.
Yeah,
you
Mike- yeah.
You want to be a toot, not a non-toot.
you want to be a non-toot.
You wanna be a non-toot.
You're
wanna
a
be
toot.
non-toot.
Like right now, you're a toot because you're not a part of
Right.
our Patreon.
And because I'm a prostitute.
Yeah, and
No.
because you'll get
No,
well,
he said no. I was like,
no.
no, yeah.
no, you're not a prostitute.
No, toot
no.
but
just,
you will get cracked open.
yeah. Toot just means toot just means you don't pay for the podcast.
Yeah.
You listen to it for free.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's what makes you toot. Non-toots are the ones who pay for it on
They've
Patreon.
joined the
Toot
matriarchy.
is short for
Prostitute.
Prostitute.
Yeah,
Okay,
prostitute.
great.
It started. Toot started because my friends and I would call girls toots.
Oh, that's so romantic.
That's so cute. Yeah.
TUTE.
There are a couple kids from Queens. They haven't been to the city.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Most of my friends are from Ridgewood, Queens, and they would call girls toots on the group chat, and I just
Yeah.
thought it was funny, so I brought it to the podcast.
Yeah. Don't worry, girls have worse group chats than guys, though. My
believe it.
my friends group we're wild.
Guys get lit up in that
Lit
group
up,
chat, right?
especially
Lit.
girls.
Did that dick pic make the group chat?
No, it wasn't good enough. Like the only reason I was showing them the dick pic is because I actually don't get dick pics.
Okay.
And my friends do, and I don't want them. Please, everyone listening, I do want them. Which now it's illegal to send it. You can get like kicked off Instagram. There's a thing.
Really?
And like in Texas,
Can't you like go to jail for
in
it?
Texas now you can. They passed it when I was in Dallas.
Well, that's no
but,
fun.
I mean, also like whatever. So, yeah, so the dick pics, but my friends have like 10,000 followers, 7,000 followers, and like their DMs are like the ESPYs and all the dicks. And I'm like, well, why am I not getting them?
Because, like you said, you're so big, they probably
think I won't see
won't
it.
see it, yeah.
But this dick pic in particular that I was showing Giannis,
I mean, he
I
had,
saw it too.
before, yeah, you
He's
guys.
got a little piece.
yeah,
there.
it looked like it was one of our dads
It's
sent it
just
to her.
weird
Yeah.
because it's like it's just weird that he had tube socks on,
Yeah.
still in the picture. His pants were pulled to his ankles, and then his room's not even clean, and there's
Yeah.
like stuff everywhere, and it's like lit, and then it's flaccid.
Did you
like,
see an insulin pump somewhere?
Yeah.
Or what is it? What
Yeah.
does he do for his diabetes?
Yeah, insulin pump. And I know if I saw some anime on the floor, it's Mike.
And when you send a dick pic, you send it hard, semi, or flaccid.
Totally
or
hard.
just stick a TV remote in your sweatpants and send that out. That's what it is.
Yeah, he says it's called he has his first pick is he took the TV remote and he put it in his pants. And girls
that
never
makes sense.
You want to see it?
show it to her.
Sure.
Yeah. No girl has ever called him on it being fake. They all think it's real.
Really?
Yeah. I mean,
Let me
Chris is a
see.
wild kid.
He's wild.
Yeah.
I mean, I imagine you already have nudes all over.
No. You
Wait,
can
no?
no.
No
I just-
girl sent him anything.
If you Google
Oh,
my
you mean
name,
do girls send
yeah.
me nudes?
No,
No.
of course they do.
Never.
No.
No, I meant like your nudes are probably all over. the
Oh no, I
internet.
don't have. I would never send a nude.
If
I got
you
fucking.
Google
I've
my
bitched
name with nudes, those aren't my real nudes. I just want to put it out there on the internet.
But if you join the
But-
Patreon at 1,000, I can send you the real nudes. That's the
Let me
remote.
see.
That's the remote dick, yeah.
Is it a live picture?
I don't know.
Yeah, but
Oh yeah, see that's the thing that guys don't understand too is like when it's live, that could kind of give it away. So this picture's live.
I mean, that's
So
a
when
TV
you push
remote.
it
Who
moves.
thinks
It's a
that's
TV
real
remote.
It's
Yeah.
Who thinks it's a real dick, though?
Yeah,
I mean, it's
I don't.
an obvious
That's too
TV
big.
remote.
That's
Yeah.
way too big. I would call you out for that. I'd be like, you're right. Also, if you're sending that, like, if someone just like sends me that, I'm like, you're a massive man whore.
Yeah. So I also got to. All right. So if I send it again,
Yeah.
I'll just say, "Don't push it down. It's not live. It's not live."
But it didn't give it away, the live.
Okay.
And so what do girls say? So do you send them straight out, or are you like just send it unsolicited? Or
No,
what?
never unsolicited. Never
Yeah.
unsolicited.
Oh, well, you have to say that because you're on the podcast.
Yeah, no, I'll wait till they say something sexual, send a pic first, and then I'll send them with that. And they're like, "Oh my god, that can't be real," and then I'm like, "Yeah, it is."
Yeah. Well, girls do that. Girls have like good pictures of themselves they send.
Right.
You know.
You go emojis first. You speak
I-
usually emojis first.
I speak in emojis.
Yeah, first emojis.
Emojis
That
and
is
rainbow flags.
So annoying.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like my really good friend recently, I almost just said her name, called out two guys, was like, why don't you send like words? Why are you only sending emojis to me? Like, are you special needs?
Yeah.
That's
Right.
horrible. I
Well,
shouldn't
because
say
it's.
that.
I think it's just like because an emoji like if I send you words like
Yeah.
you can get things can get lost in my words or I can say something stupid, but an emoji is like you interpret it. It's
Yeah.
you interpret it how you want. Like if I send you a
Yeah.
kissy face. That's different than me being like, I like you so much. But the kissy face, like, does he like me? Does he not like me? Is he just being cute? It's like,
Does he
so-
just want to fuck? Yeah.
Exactly. It can mean all those things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
oh, that's good. Now I won't ever respond back to anyone's emojis.
I didn't know that there was that much thought put into it.
Yeah, no, I'm the. I mean,
I feel like
fucking-
guys don't think that much about it. I feel like you're very special. Like
was-
people don't.
No, I was at a bachelor party this week, and I won't say the guy's name, but he was trying to flirt with a girl, and he wasn't getting any response, and he was like, "Chris, can you help me?" And he didn't even have the emoji keyboard downloaded on his iPhone, and I said, "Yeah, you're not going to get anywhere." And then I downloaded that, and then it was off to the races.
It was.
and he texted.
Girls love it,
And I
huh?
said, "You just got to." I said, "You just got to be
emoji.
silly with these girls. Just always
Yeah.
think silly." And he texted me like 10 minutes ago. Goes, "This silly shit is working out big time," and I'll tell you what it is after. I'll tell you who it is after the podcast. Because make no mistake, he's married.
like silly stuff, like flirty, like or saying cute because girls say cute all the
No,
time.
you gotta say silly with the girls like silly. You're just a silly fucking kid.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
I can't tell you how many times like a girl will be like, saying something, going on a date or whatever like that, and I'll just send him rainbow flags and eggplants and splash signs and like, what are you doing? And then I'll just send him a Hitler gif, and they're like, are you out of your fucking mind?
Yeah.
And
The
I'll just be
rainbow
like,
flag is really good. You
And I'll-
send that to me.
Yes.
And I'm like, I usually don't fall for any bullshit, but I was like, that's cute. No one's
got
told
you,
me
yeah.
that I'm so hot that I need a rainbow
Have
flag.
you got the Hitler fixing his hair yet, or no?
No, but
yeah.
you do look like Hitler with your haircut.
yeah, that's next.
Yeah,
That's on
the
purpose.
Hitler-
Yeah, I think I told you you're so hot it makes you want to be gay. Then I sent a rainbow flag and an
Yeah,
eggplant. It's what
yeah.
it is.
That's so cute. I was like, wow, I've never done that before.
Yeah,
Like, that's
it makes
cute.
no sense, and that's why he does it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
it's
was
just
like,
what it is.
good.
It's like Giannis has said before that he likens me to the Joker, where my move is just chaos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reality is a suggestion for the kid. And on many episodes, I've said my dream is to just get him into a car, drive him up to Poughkeepsie, which is upstate New York,
Right.
walk him up to a hill, and squeeze a bullet into the back of his
Yeah.
head.
what it is.
Sometimes. For
just-
the country.
You probably have to
For
put three in
America.
though.
For
One-
America.
And
Put it
especially for Bay Ridge.
for Bay Ridge, for America,
Yeah.
and just for law and order.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, right,
One of the
right.
bullets is can't get through my cranium though.
No, it'll
Yeah.
bounce right off.
Yeah, you gotta shoot one and then duck.
I gotta
Yeah.
get a double barrel shotgun blast
Yeah.
to open that fucking cranium up.
Open that
Right.
cranium up.
Your head is a helmet.
How would you get me up there though? You would just say, "Oh, there's fucking
Yeah.
pizzas. There's fucking pizza and gay
Pizzas,
guys up
black
there.
and
There's a hot guy you could sit in his lap and read fucking Mein Kampf."
I mean, getting
The Mice and Men remake.
yeah, getting you up the hill is the easy part.
And you kind of like don't write in complete sentences.
Yeah.
Like you write like what's up tonight or something, and I'm like,
Okay.
what's going on tonight? What are you doing tonight? How's
Because he's
tonight?
doing 1,000 things at one time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's just
or you
wild.
can tell when he's like really doing something else, or you have the attention, because
Yeah.
then it's just like a bunch of emojis or something else, or
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm with the
It's
baby.
interesting.
Yeah.
Like I don't open text unless I'm gonna like write it back, so it reminds me to write back, so I won't
Good call.
open
Oh,
it.
that's a good tactic.
Like I don't open it because then I'm like Fashion Week, like the other day, I just had so many people writing me,
imagine.
and I was like, well, I'll just go back and see, unless it's like my parents or something. But then I'll open it, I'll forget. Yeah. So with you, it'll just be like, yeah, hi, or something, and I'm just like, okay.
Do you speak French?
Bonjour, je m'appelle Danielle, et vous?
I mean,
And
Mikey,
then-
calm down.
I'm gonna have to throw some water on his dick.
Also,
Yo, throw some
that's
water.
all I know. But no, my grandma's like straight off the boat, like
What part of-
super French.
What part of Long Island again? Manhasset?
Manhasset?
Shout out Manhasset Water Department.
Yeah.
Shout out Manhasset Water Department. Also, is that Massapequa or Manhasset? Who's got they got good Italian restaurants out there. Actually, in both.
Yeah.
Manhasset and Massapequa.
If I lived up here, I'd be so obese from bacon, egg, and cheese sandwiches.
they're-
and Pete's. You didn't. Eat, I can't believe you didn't
Oh.
eat any pizza.
I know. I've ate so much pizza recently, and then with Fashion Week, I haven't had time.
Do you have a
to eat
show
much.
tonight? Another fashion show tonight?
No,
You're
I-
off
I
tonight.
was like, I was like 14-hour days, like the last 2 days, and then I walked twice Saturday night, and I'm no model, so it was kind of a big deal.
You're a wrestler. Cuz I'm curious to
Yeah.
know how she became Summer Rae
Yeah,
and
come
became
on.
a wrestler.
Okay,
Tell
yeah.
us all about
How'd I
that.
say it in Brooklyn? How did you become a wrestler?
What'd you do with the wrestling?
You know what's really funny is like when guys ask you that too, like they think they're asking really interesting questions. And
know.
they're just like, oh, it's all the same questions.
fucking
But-
stupid.
No,
We're
for you
fucking
guys,
stupid
it's great
kids.
because it's an
Yeah.
audience and people
Can I
are
sit
at
in your
home.
lap?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a little heavy.
If he sits in your lap, can I sit in your lap, Chris?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
You
a
guys
lap
want to do a lap
sandwich?
centipede?
And then Mike just is gonna sniff the seat under you.
Cuz
Wait.
let's do a fucking lap centipede.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Will
we'll do
I
it.
get chlamydia if you sit in my lap?
Probably.
I don't know. Can you get chlamydia from your butt?
What is it? Gonorrhea? What do you have?
I
Everything.
have chlamydia in my butt.
His diseases are like an everything bagel. It's got a little bit on there. Yeah.
So I watched wrestling growing up. Everyone has a story, like the Hulk Hogan days. And then kind of got out of it. And then in high school, or no, actually like college, I was a grown-ass woman watching Monday Night Raw. That's why I love when girls come to my meet and greets and stuff, because I'm like, oh, you're like me. And then, once I moved to Chicago and was like playing the LFL and everything, I started watching it again. And I would Google every night. I remember like how to become a WWE diva. What do I do? Blah, blah, blah. And there was just nothing online. Now they have NXT and they have a developmental program, and Triple H is spent like $3 million, on a facility down in Orlando. So now there's a process, but also there's like 40, 50 girls in training. When I went in training, there's only like 6 girls.
Right.
So I kept figuring out. I was like, I don't know how to do it. And then I was out of the country for a little bit, and I researched it. I was like, okay, if I'm really going to do this, I want to see what it is. Like, no more bouncing around careers, like the good, the bad, the ugly. Do you guys have like comedian gossip boards, like fans?
Not really.
Like
Maybe
we have
like a
we have
Reddit.
things called like dirt sheets.
Okay.
Are you a wrestling fan? You are. So you know what dirt sheets are and stuff. Yeah. So like things like someone I can speak to. Now he's going to be part of the podcast.
We need
more than you
we
guys.
need a pyoing sound effect
Yeah.
because Mike just went pyoing.
So I
you don't
read,
understand.
like-
Danielle just turned her chair to look at Mike, and Mike didn't know what to do just now.
Well, he
so
woke-
he just went pewing.
Well, first thing he did is he woke up because the kid's getting a little sleepy.
Yeah,
you
well,
take-
because he ate 3 slices.
Do you take naps during the podcast?
It's like naps train and everything.
Oh, great.
Well, he
yeah,
also
fine.
just flew in from San Antonio, and we just force fed him 3 slices like he's our pet
Hardworking
gerbil.
man. So I read like all the dirt sheets, Diva Dirt, everything like that, and I was like, man, people just tear people apart. I wanted to see what it was about, and I bought tickets to Monday Night Raw, which was 4 hours away. Drove with my sister, I think, and sat 4th row. And the year before, I had met Jerry Lawler. Do you know Jerry the
Of
King
course.
Lawler?
Jerry the King Lawler.
Yeah.
Met Jerry the King Lawler.
I'll sue you, Mr. Lawler.
I
Andy
met
Kaufman.
Jerry
That's right.
at a Comic-Con. Every time I hit this, can you hear some noise? Oh, sorry. I keep hitting it. So actually, you guys might be my first podcast I've ever been on.
Yes.
I did CBS, like radio, but that's not a podcast.
No.
It's not a
right?
podcast.
Yeah.
It's not. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a bunch of requests I turned down, but they were in the History Hyena.
Yeah.
So I met Jerry Lawler, and he was like, if you ever at a Comic-Con, and he was like, if you ever want to do it, let me know. I can bring you in for a tryout. So I emailed him a year later, and he was really funny. He was like, oh, do you want tickets? And I was like, no, bitch, I got 4th row. Like, I don't need your tickets. And so I went early, and he brought me in the back, met Triple H, met John Laurinaitis.
Wow.
And
Great kid.
gave my like resume that was like 19 pages long and the most horrible reel that wasn't edited. It had like 15-minute interviews, like no one probably watched it. And yeah, I got a tryout about, I guess, like 3 weeks later.
That must have felt amazing when you got that call, right?
Yeah, like, well, the tryout, like a lot of people had tryouts. So I was like, I was nervous. That was the hardest thing I've ever done. Your body just rejects like falling on your back. It's like a car accident.
Right.
So yeah, I did that. I remember I went home.
Is any part of the tryout like personality, like cutting promos?
Yeah, like so Dusty Rhodes, American Dream, he was my mentor, and he did the acting side of it. And so, I think we had promo day, but they just let us watch the wrestlers do it. But yeah, you got to get, when I went in, you had to get in the ring. Now it's very, well, it's always political, but now they have a lot of boundaries, and I don't even think they let you suplex. Like for me, it was like the more you can do on your tape by Thursday, the better you can get your chances are. So it was like arm drive, suplex. Like I wanted to learn it all. But after the first day, I went home that night. And my mom, like my family was not excited about it. They just thought it was like bra and panties and I was going to get hurt.
Yeah, they're French and British.
For sure,
They don't
yeah,
get
they
it.
suck. And and I went home and I was in my hotel and my back was spasming so bad. I took the ice bucket and I took the top off and it has that round ball at the top and I just laid on it and laid my back like to massage it out. And just cried and didn't let anyone see me crying. I went back the next day. And it was a couple weeks later when they called me and gave me the call. But
No personality. They didn't see any tapes or anything of you doing like a
yeah,
personality.
I think maybe we had to do like something on camera.
because that's such a big part of it.
Yeah, maybe that was just easy for me, so I wasn't like.
Yeah, you don't
I can
remember.
remember it. Yeah, I have lots of concussions.
Yeah.
That's true, actually.
Yeah, of course. I had concussions in football. Yeah. Y'all never had concussions in basketball?
Now we're just a
I
couple
never
of
got a
FFs.
No.
Yeah.
No, Giannis plays chess.
Yeah. I'm a chess kid.
I thought you played
Mike has sleep
basketball.
apnea.
I did play
And I
basketball.
play Division III basketball.
Yeah.
So we
Sleep-
don't.
Wait, you had sleep apnea?
Yeah, look at me.
Oh my gosh! Do you do the talk thing in the middle of that? Like, are you trapped in your body where people have to wake you up?
No, I just
It's trouble
found-
sleep.
I know
Yeah.
people who, when they do it, they're in their sleep and they're like, and they have to, and they're yelling. They think they're yelling.
Are you talking
for
about
someone to wake
night
you up?
night terrors
No,
or?
it's sleep apnea.
Sleep
I've
apnea.
never had that.
You just
Like
stop
you're
breathing.
paralyzed. Like you're
Yeah.
paralyzed.
My
yeah.
breathing's really terrible at night.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have
It's
masks
terrible
and
during the
stuff,
day,
right?
too.
Who do you think the best wrestler of all time? Would you? Because I'm saying without a doubt,
Ultimate
it's-
Warrior?
No, it's Ric Flair, bro.
Yeah.
Ric
Oh,
Flair's
and I'm
number
Shawn
one.
Michaels.
So-
What do you think?
Michaels.
Well, I want to know
I'm-
what Mike thinks
I'm
too.
t-
I want Mike's vote.
Shawn Michaels as a physically wrestler for sure.
I think just as a showman overall.
You think so?
Shawn Michaels,
Should I put my headphones
Ric
Ric
Flair.
Flair.
And then what is Mike? Because Mike's knows this.
I always say Ric Flair.
You think Ric Flair's number one? Okay.
Woo!
Woo! You know who my favorite wrestler of all time was?
Summer Rae.
Summer Rae, and then also Tatanka.
Tatanka was a good kid.
Toy of him right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
what?
Dan
Look at
Soder's
Tatanka
Tatanka's
there.
up there.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Yes.
Soder loves Tatanka too.
Oh yeah. Macho Man, yeah.
All right, just-
Wow.
What is that? Oh,
Tatanka.
Wait, can I give y'all my Mattel doll for history?
Please.
Yes. Do you have it on you?
No, I can send you one though. I have
Oh,
some at
fuck
home.
yeah.
Yeah, don't send it to Chris's house.
Tatanka, how funny! I haven't heard anyone pick Tatanka as their favorite wrestler.
I love
in a long time.
Tatanka. Yeah, some weird things happen in my
My
brain when I
my
used to watch
favorite was
Tatanka.
what's his name? Jimmy Superfly Snuka, but he murdered
Yeah.
someone.
No, what?
Yeah.
Wait.
He
I wrestled with his daughter.
Is he in jail?
no, he's dead.
No.
He's dead of stomach cancer. But
Yeah, he murdered
was-
someone.
The story is that he, in a fit of like steroid rage, he threw a woman. He was like, coke and steroid.
Oh, she thought
Threw a
thought she was
lady-
Mexican. Tried to get her over the wall.
Is this
She
like-
hit his head. She hit her head. She died, and they never
shouldn't
really
be making
pursued it
jokes.
because it was the '80s, and
You could
didn't
do that back then.
I
Like,
did
there was no
not
proof.
know about
There was
this.
no like real witnesses, and the cops didn't really look into it. And then later, as the year he died, they really kind of pursued it.
Right.
And
He was going to go to jail if he was alive.
If he didn't have stomach cancer and he wasn't so old, he probably would have sent him to jail. But instead, he just died.
Brutal.
Got it.
So.
Huh? I did not know that, but I feel like I'm posting y'all on Instagram.
Oh, please do.
Please
Thank
do
you.
it.
So who's your fave?
Well,
Yeah.
so I know. I mean, like I wrestle with Ric Flair's daughter now, and like I know Rick well. I'm from North Carolina, so it's like Ric Flair country. So
See, that's starstruck for me.
I
Ric
mean,
Flair's
I
starstruck.
love. Yes, I have a good story about. I have so many stories about Ric Flair, but Ric Flair was amazing. Steamboat was amazing.
He was good.
Steamboat smells the best in the company now. Like he wears very like crazy amounts of perfume. I mean cologne,
Yeah,
whatever
yeah.
the boys wear. And yeah, it's like a running joke that you can smell him after he hugs you.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Stone Cold is just
He's a cool fucking
Stone
guy.
Cold, and Stone Cold can get cracked.
He can get
clean
cracked
up,
open
right?
and
Cracked
cleaned
open.
out?
Stone
Yeah.
Cold Steve Austin.
Like,
Yeah.
Stone
Yeah.
Cold still looks amazing.
Did you ever try to say, "Hey, babe, crack me open and
No,
clean me
I
out"?
get so starstruck when I see him too. Like,
Do you
want to
borrow my love sack, babe, for Stone Cold?
We both probably couldn't fit. He's much bigger than you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
know?
You just got emasculated.
Yeah, that's what it is.
And you're not a small kid.
How old is Stone Cold? Like, he can get it.
He can get cracked.
Um,
She's basically saying Stone Cold Steve Austin could get punched
and
through.
I'm like so silly when I see him. I'm like,
You can punch through, yeah.
"Hey."
What about The Undertaker? He's got to be up there for best
Yeah,
wrestlers.
I mean, Taker's
He's 54.
There's 54.
Oh, he could get cracked at 54.
The thing is with Taker, there's just no entrance like that. Like if I'm not on a WrestleMania, when I was younger, or like younger in my career, when I was newer in my career, or there was like one or two times where I wasn't on Mania or I was on the pre-show, I go up to the WWE has like a booth, or what do you call it? Like a little box, And I go into WWE's box, and you watch Taker's entrance in the arenas, and like we're in the arenas with. I performed in the Cowboy Stadium when it was brand new, so it was 104,000 people.
Wow.
That's like I think with us it was like 101 because they black out the back.
Can I just say this real quick? WWE sells fucking tickets.
Tickets, the network does stuff like overseas. Like when we go overseas is insane. When you watch Undertaker in an arena like that, like I become like a little kid.
Right.
Like I get like teary-eyed and like goosebumps. I'm just like, it's Taker. Like it transcends age, race, religion, like if someone speaks only Japanese and in the audience, they know everything that's happening because Taker doesn't speak.
Right.
So
Right.
nothing like as an actor and actress, it's
Yeah,
just
why?
like
Because they have to know what's going on in
it's the
American culture because we
passion.
won
Well-
the fucking war.
That's what it is.
actually,
what
yeah,
it is.
they're
Learn
just
English.
like really scared like that something's
Yeah.
gonna happen when they're in the audience.
Yeah, it's a character
Yeah,
piece.
character piece
It's
of Kid
just,
Around.
yeah, it's amazing.
I'm
And
having sushi tonight.
and
Yeah.
he's married to Michelle McCool, so their baby's just gonna be like insanely athletic. So yeah.
Can we watch the Undertaker intro music just to get fucking
Just to get pewing?
just because I want to see if Danielle's nipples get hard.
Who would you give it to in all of WWE, WWF history for what man?
To bang out or
Yeah.
my favorite wrestler?
To bang out and to get banged out by.
Get banged out.
Okay, well those are two different guys.
Very, very, very different.
Yeah.
It is. It's true.
So who-
because you want to be manhandled by a certain kind of person,
Okay.
and then you want to give
So
it to
there's
someone
there's
else.
actually three guys. There's a
Okay.
guy I want to bang out, a guy I want to bang me out, and then a guy I want to marry and lap.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Like who's wifey, who's
I
not.
like that you just use lap as a verb.
yeah. So the guy
Would you rather lap or love sack?
lap. I'm saying like I want to sit in his
Sit in his
lap.
lap,
and
no,
marry.
no.
Sit
But-
his lap on the left side. Yeah.
But which is higher up? Like if you
Good
could
point.
lap or just love sack.
I think lap is top.
Lap is top.
Top. That means
So
marriage
there's
material.
There's guy I want
Right.
the guy I want to bang out, and the guy I want to bang me out, and the guy I
Right.
want to lap the guy I want to lap and marry. So for those 3 wrestlers, the first wrestler I want to bang out, who I want to actually have sex with, is Tatanka.
Yeah.
I want to bang him out
So
in the ass.
interesting. Oh, you like him thick.
Well,
You
yeah,
like
and
your
also
girls
just
thick?
because I want to, let them know that, he's a Native American.
Wei Xiongxing.
This
Wei
is my
Xiongxing.
No, this is my country now.
Yeah, no, wait, no, don't tell me no. Wei Xiongxing, give me a chorus of Wei Xiongxing.
Xiongxing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also a character piece, please.
Yeah, character piece.
Yeah,
So
thank you.
Tatanka-
Yeah,
so that's-
yeah, thank
that's
you.
Tatanka.
Jesus Christ,
So I'd
we
like
got to
to
watch
bang
that
out.
away.
Then I'd
Anthony's
like-
also closest skin
Yeah.
color to Puerto Rican, so
Yes.
you like that.
Yes.
Oh.
Then I.
That's true.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Good point.
Do we cackle or which one?
No, I think you're
Yeah.
okay because that's true.
Then I'd like to get, and then I'd like to get banged out by Bret Hart because he's Canadian. They got good health insurance, and they want to put me in the sharpshooter and cover my ass.
But Bret Hart back then, no.
No, old school Bret Hart.
Yeah.
And then the guy,
Before
then,
concussion. Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
the guy I think I'd want to marry. I'd want to probably marry. I'd say I'd probably say I'd want to marry Hulk Hogan. Yeah, just because he seems like for the most part,
Yeah.
he's still doing very well financially. He's got his life together. He's not going to gamble away my money.
Right.
Yeah.
And he has some businesses. Yeah, that's true. He's definitely, yeah.
What about you?
Oh, yeah, this is intense.
Well-
First I need ISIS's Instagram.
Oh, it's
What is it?
Z the Dropout. All one word with an underscore at the end.
Wait, are you the one that's
Bars.
the DJ?
yeah, he's a rapper.
He's a rapper. Yeah, he's
Oh,
got tattoos
really?
on his fingers.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Because your friends are gonna be fucking wilded out that Summer Rae's just fucking tweeting your handle.
tweeting it, tooting it.
Put that in the song too.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you said, who did you? Oh, Bret Hart. Oh, I have a crazy story about Bret Hart.
Can you
so
tell it?
I'm just in England. Well, this is my life. Like this, I don't even understand how. Like sometimes when I'm doing all this stuff, I step away from my body and I go, what the fuck is happening to me? We're in England. Bret Hart doesn't really talk. Like, he's just a busy man. He doesn't like sit down. And I've never had like a crazy conversation with him. I wrestle with his niece, Natty. What's Natty? Niece? Niece? I don't know. I don't have any aunts, uncles, or nieces or nephews, so I don't understand families. And so I was sitting there, and Bret Hart just sits there and starts telling me this story for 20 minutes about him, British Bulldog, like all this stuff, blah, blah, blah. And I'm just like sat there and I was like, wow.
It's amazing.
Like I'm sitting, and I think at the other table was Booker T, D-Generation X, Wolfpack. Like, and I just looked around and I'm like the only girl in the room. And I'm like, first of all, I'm going to get cracked out.
Yeah.
Like right here. And second of all, that's fine. It's the Wolfpack,
Hell yeah.
You know what's funny? It's
Yeah.
like your life is like my childhood fantasy came to life.
Yeah, no, it's
That
crazy.
would be like if all, because I used to play with the figurines,
Right.
like British Bulldog and stuff,
Right.
and like move them around, and that's like your life. It like those guys came to life, and they're just in the room with you. It's pretty fucking wild.
Hell
It's
yeah.
it's wild, and also it's like desensitized because then I get used to it. Like me and Kevin Nash have done so many, and
Kevin
He could
Nash
get
is the
cracked.
Big Show, right?
Razor,
No.
No, which one's
Razor
Kevin
Ramon.
Nash?
He's a big kid, but he can get
Kevin
cracked
Nash
open.
right here. Yeah,
Kevin Nash is Razor Ramon?
No, they both were. So that's Kevin Nash, big sexy.
Big
Yeah.
Sexy. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Big
Yeah.
Sexy.
Because
knew
I will
that.
do
knew
a
that.
I will do a face dive into Kevin Nash's lap.
He's a fucking handsome kid.
and
Yeah.
The fans like tweet that I'm with, that we are like banging out.
Yeah, well, that's a
because-
problem for me.
Because I don't know where they got it from, but he sometimes writes funny, flirty
Why is he in
things
jail
my
at the bottom
comments.
left? What did he do?
It just falls apart at the end a
No,
little bit.
it might have just been a movie. He's in Magic Mike.
He was in
You
Magic
know?
Mike.
Yeah, I've
He
never
was
seen
a
that movie.
yeah,
Punisher.
I
that
feel
mo-
like you watch Magic Mike and you know every word and all the
probably.
dance moves.
It's what it is.
Because
No.
you tried it on girls.
No, he got
Oh.
released from jail. Oh, he got arrested. How do you arrest Kevin Nash?
Because look,
He lets
if you're in Daytona
like
Beach,
7
there's a
feet
50% chance you're gonna get arrested if you're in Daytona
Yeah.
Beach.
And
Yeah.
height is kind of my thing. So like he's tall, you know. They
Jeff
all
Hardy
are.
got arrested in South Carolina the week before I went.
Wow.
You're gonna have to cackle.
Of course,
Okay.
absolutely.
But,
Mike handles it.
That was cool. Meeting the Hardy Boys was really cool for me because they're from like an hour down the street from me, and so they came back. I don't like when I hear spoilers. I'm just a fan, so
Right.
I don't like when I hear spoilers. So when I saw them before WrestleMania, I was like, "Oh my gosh, you're coming back at WrestleMania! I hate that I just saw you." And I walked up to them because we have like I don't know if comedy has this, but we have like a subculture where it's like respect and like shaking hands and
Sure.
looking people in the face. Like Undertaker, you have to look in the eye and like say hi. Like you don't have to, but it's what you do with Taker. And if you don't, it's like really rude and you can be like blackballed and the whole thing.
We got it with Jerry Seinfeld. You just don't touch him because he doesn't like people.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
So, I went up to the Hardys and I was just like, who is that?
Well, what happened with Kevin
Zach
Nash?
Isis.
Yeah.
What
happened?
looks like.
The Kevin
yeah.
Nash thing was his son. This is his son. Came home
Oh.
drunk, and Kevin got arrested for fighting with his son.
Well, you know.
well, he probably deserved it.
Part
Yeah, it was a kid being an
You
asshole.
think he came home and he was like, brother, I was waiting up all night for you.
I'm trying to think who Scott Hall's son
Kevin
wrestles.
Nash become the Macho
That's
Man?
Razor
Yeah, I
Ramon.
mean, I just
Scott
did a
Hall.
generic wrestler.
Yeah.
Razor Ramon was awesome too. Actually,
He
I
was
may
so
I may,
hot.
I may let him fuck me.
Yeah.
Crack
but
me
in
open.
his
In his prime, because now he's banged up.
in his prime,
Yeah,
yeah.
he's banged up now.
I need Razor Ramon in his prime. Stone Cold now, whenever last Tuesday, last year, like it doesn't matter. Stone Cold can just get it. The Rock. I mean, The Rock. Like,
Yeah, but he's like that's like
I
saying
want
your
him to
favorite
fuck me on
basketball
a-
player is Michael Jordan. Like
Yeah.
it doesn't count.
Yeah.
But so it's like goes without saying. That
Yeah,
The
like
Rock.
he's obviously I'd let him fucking
The
on
Rock.
his-
The Rock.
I'd
doesn't
bukkake with
even-
him.
on his
yeah.
private plane, hello.
Like The Rock doesn't
Hello.
even have to like have sex with you. Like The Rock can just
Yeah.
like I feel like his oral gate like it would just be
I'd
like
suck the Rock's dick in front of my
insane.
family.
Yeah.
Right. Right. If The Rock was a woman, would you go down on her?
No. No, because
yeah,
I'll get a
so.
sore throat. Yeah.
Wait,
Even
wait.
for The Rock?
Wait, so what's that question? Because I get interested when you're doing these gender mashups.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
if The
Yeah,
Rock was a
'cause-
woman, because he doesn't go down on girls.
Because you know the kind of porn Giannis likes, right? Chicks with dicks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Exclusively.
Like lady boys.
Exclusively, yeah.
Is that Lady Boys? Are the same
Lady
thing?
boys, yeah. When we get to 5,000 Patreon members, we're going to get Giannis a first class ticket to Thailand.
And I'm
Oh
going to
my
push
God.
it to the limit.
It's going to push to the limit.
How many members y'all have?
Yeah, there's one. Oh, there's a Rock gender son. Yeah, this is what horns up Giannis right now.
Have you seen the new transgender model for Victoria's Secret? She's so
Gorgeous.
hot.
Yeah, that's my point. To me, it looks
You
like a
don't
girl.
know till you get
Yeah,
there.
I mean, it's like whatever. I'm in. Once I'm in, I'm in.
yeah.
Yeah, usually the
I'm
only
not backing up.
So
yeah,
you-
there we go. We got a point. We got a
So-
point.
Yeah, we got a point.
So
yeah.
you swim through.
I'm a swim through.
With
Yeah,
the Ladyboys.
exactly.
Yeah.
I'll swim through.
That's
The lady boys
good.
are slip through. Yeah, the only problem Giannis has with any woman is that they don't have dicks.
That's
Yeah.
the one.
That's the only issue.
It's
That's the
a-
only issue he
That's
has with his wife.
It's a small,
Right.
tiny issue.
Yeah.
Let me ask you a question. I know Eva Lise. I saw
Yeah,
her
yeah, I meant to
Yeah.
ask you how he knows that. Yeah.
because she came to a show of mine in Tampa.
Oh right, yeah. So
And I met her
Evie and
there.
I were in developmental together. So we
Wow.
like she has taught me a lot that I know because she had been wrestling forever and ever. And when you're in developmental with someone, oh, am I boring you?
No, I had 3 slices of pizza.
Wow, you got caught,
Oh,
cuz.
tired.
You
He's
got
worse
caught
than
yawning?
you.
I don't know anything about wrestling.
I'm
Yeah.
just kidding. Thank God. And so when you're in developmental together, it's kind of like a sorority and fraternity. Like some people don't make it, and it's like blood, sweat, and tears. And she was always really great. She was on Tough Enough. A lot of people didn't understand her because she's is she Puerto Rican? She's
Yeah,
Puerto
she's
Rican.
Puerto Rican.
You know, so a little hot-headed Puerto Rican. I never thought she was hot-headed, but yeah, I loved Evie. She was really great.
Yeah. So
She Maurice fan?
She was.
She's a fabulous wrestler, and we wrestled in Australia together last year.
So I'm curious. So how long were you in the WWE total?
6 years.
So that's like a good run. 6
yeah,
years.
especially for women.
So
Like
she-
women can't handle it.
No.
Like, that sounds horrible. But women can handle it. Our bodies, I don't think.
Do you just
are
want to
made
Wei
for it.
Shang-Xing? You want to Wei Shang? Yeah, just give her Wei Shang-Xing.
Wrestling fans are going to listen
Yeah.
to this and they're going to cut clips and it's going to be like, women can't handle
Yeah,
it.
but it's all
I'm like,
character
yeah,
piece. She's doing a
yeah.
character
It's all
piece.
character piece.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Colleen Senior.
Yeah, it's Colleen C. She's doing a character piece.
This is going to be like, our fans are going to be like the version of your cousin. I'm not going to be able to invite ever back to
His
just
cousin's
what it
just, she's throwing everybody out the window on Thanksgiving.
It's just what it is.
Yeah.
I'm probably going to just have to go. I don't know what. Mike, what are you doing for Thanksgiving?
I guess having you over.
Yeah.
I'm going to stuff you in the fucking
Cuz
oven.
you're going to fucking get thrown out the window and you're going to land on the Thanksgiving scene on the lawn of your aunt's house.
My
It's what it is.
birthday is on Thanksgiving.
On the actual Thanksgiving Thursday?
Yeah.
Wow, cute.
Yeah.
Cute. Me and the Native Americans. But,
So you
yeah.
kind of, so she kind of, and then
6
she went and
years.
wrestled in there's other leagues, right, that you can wrestle in?
Yeah, so she didn't go to TV, and I went to TV. But yeah, so I was there. I was on TV for 4.5 years. So I was only in developmental for a year and a half, which
Right.
is really quick.
Right.
But yeah, I was
You just had it. You
fortunate.
had the
I
thing.
almost got called up 6 months into being there, so which is like never heard of. and I had a ticket to England to debut and the whole thing. And then the night before, they were like, "Oh, creative changed." But looking back, I didn't know how to barely wrestle 6 months in.
That's
so.
like Chrissy. Chrissy moved fast in comedy too. He was
Yeah.
just a talented, funny kid.
And with the ladies.
I mean, that's just been a constant throughout the whole life.
It's just what it is.
Yeah, it's just what it is.
Yeah.
Like, were you kissing girls on the park when you were young?
Yeah, I mean,
I
he was kissing whatever was closest to him.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I kissed.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
remember.
yeah.
I
Don't
remember kissing a
discriminate.
girl when I was 3 years old. And I remember at 5 years old going behind bushes where I went to grammar school and pulling down her pants and her pulling down mine and just
Yeah, consensual.
trying to well, we're 5 years old trying
Yeah.
to just mash my balls because I just didn't know what sex was, but I just knew
just knew you wanted it.
I knew that the
You were like the Hulk. You're like, I want the smash, Hulk smash.
no, I didn't know what sex was, but I couldn't even get an erection. But I just knew that the penis and the vagina. I knew that she had something I wanted.
me
so
just
I,
say- did
I
you
rubbed
go-
my balls on it. That's a true story.
Did you
She's
tell the
5 years
5-year-old? Did you go, babe? Did you suck my dick, babe? It just can't get it up
Wait,
unless you suck
where
my
were
dick,
the
babe.
parents?
No, we were on recess. We were at school. We went
Yeah.
behind a car.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he's a horned up kid.
But
It's
like,
what it
imagine
is.
the girl. Like, what if the girl's like traumatized?
No, she was. I think it was probably her
It's
idea.
probably her
Oh,
idea.
yeah,
yeah.
that's better. Just
Yeah.
like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah. So the thing about that, though,
Then I
is
got
like
skull fucked by Father
girls,
Bill.
It's just what it is.
Yeah.
Just happens.
Yeah.
Girls,
that has
girls
something to do
like
with
that
it.
with guys. Like girls like a guy that's like a huge man whore and been with people when they're younger, like in the 20s. But then when you reach a certain age, it's like at 30, you're like, oh, I'm over that. I know where it's gonna go. So you get a lot of 20-someths
I mean, I think.
or old late or cougars. Cougars are also down with that too.
He's like a PG-13 movie. Everyone can get in if a parent's involved.
Yeah, it's just what it.
It's pretty much open to everybody. It has a little edge to it, but it's not. Everyone can get in.
Right.
Yeah.
Everyone can get it.
I hear
Yeah.
the
it's just what it
cackles.
is.
Yeah.
Wait, so when you cackle after, does that mean you're gonna cackle it on the?
No, that
Patreon?
just means we said something wild.
Oh, you
Yeah,
just said
no,
that.
but if you specifically ask for something to cackle, which you
We
have,
will cackle over it, yeah.
and we'll just.
Oh, right. You wrote
At
it
this
down.
point, it's just called the Chrissy button. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, interesting.
We have
Yeah.
some episodes that I'm not lying to. It'll be a continuous cackle for about 90 seconds.
Hold on, I just
which
had a
is
good
insane.
I had a good idea. Tony Cassis, we love you very much. She's our web designer, web host. Can you make a button that's called the Chrissy button, and it's just cackles? So that's a joke.
Yeah.
So it's
That's
like just
good.
make a cackle sound effects, and the button it's called the Chrissy button.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great.
Now how many? Yeah, those
oh,
are
people
Zach's
can push
buttons.
the buttons
They
and
can
get
push
the-
Zach's buttons.
Well,
yeah.
on the website historyhyenas.com, you can push Zach's buttons and be Zach for if you want.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
just
great.
push his buttons.
Push
Yeah.
his buttons. Can we scroll back up to the? First of all, thank you so much for doing these pics.
Yeah, of course.
I mean,
This
I mean,
helped us out
my guest
tremendously.
took the pictures.
It got us to a crucial point because when you have under 10,000 followers, you can't post links in your stories, which is
Oh.
very important for us because we post links to the website, links to our shows, ticket links.
Oh.
So when you posted, you got us over 10,000 now. We
Oh,
can post
really?
links.
I didn't
Yeah,
know
That was
thank
that.
you.
huge,
Oh my god.
huge
Yeah.
help for us.
And I
So
mean,
cool.
Thank you.
you're
Maybe
in
people will-
shape.
You know, the weird thing is though, this is how weird angles and BS is. The picture on the left, this is my gaze roof, by the way. Oh, really funny thing.
Yes!
Really
Yes!
funny thing is I didn't have a hair tie the day of the shoot, and I went to my gaze house to take the pictures, and we had nothing to tie up my shirt with, so we tied it up with a cock ring.
Wow.
Yeah.
Back-
From his house. They always got one. The gays always got
And
one of those laying
I
around.
didn't know
Yeah.
what it was, and he comes out and it with this like rubber thing, and he like tied it up for me, and I was like, okay. And so then
I think it's funny him just looking
sprayed-
around. I got something around
Yeah,
here.
and so I
Okay,
did
just
it,
use that.
And I didn't know what it was,
Yeah.
and then I'm spraying myself down with Pam because that's what makes me shiny, and this is what I did for y'all. And he was like,
Yes.
yeah, it's a cock ring. And I was like, what's a cock ring? And he was like, what we tied your shirt up with. I was like, oh my God, is it clean? And then I'm like, well, it's on me. I don't know. And then I
Yeah.
asked him a bunch of questions about that.
Yeah, I don't know how a cock ring works. Can you
It
explain
just
it?
slows down, supposedly prolongs.
He knows.
Yeah.
You've used one, honestly.
Have I? I've never used one. No, I don't. I think
Well,
my.
and it's
I don't think I got a big enough
small,
dick to
like,
get in one.
It was
It's
like
what it
this
is. Yeah.
big, so like, how does it even?
Oh.
You have to put it on flaccid, maybe, I guess.
Yeah, it's supposedly like
Oh, we're
stops
Googling
the.
it.
Like
So you last longer,
you last longer.
but you do eventually come off it.
I suppose so. I mean, I don't use
I
them.
don't know.
You
It
know?
restricts blood
Yeah, no, I
flow.
never use a cock ring.
No, I
it-
never used that.
Yeah, restricts blood flow, I guess. But yeah, so the picture on the left, I had like not one ab, and I looked really like just not like I didn't like how I looked. And then we turned around the corner, and the light hit you, and I was shredded.
Damn.
So it's just about angles.
Yeah, but
y'all.
you are shredded, y'all.
I mean, Some days I haven't drank a lot of water
So
the last 2 days. So I need
Does
to
your
drink
pop?
water.
Is your father like? Does he talk like he's from England? Like,
No,
hello.
that's my mom.
Oh, you
so
see
my dad's friend.
Your dad. So he's
No, he's just American.
Tanya. You're playing with these
No.
these American
Does
wrestlers.
your mother talk with a British accent?
Does she say
I
some-
think like
Danielle?
faint, like faintly. She's been here since she was like 26, and she's like 65.
Is she proper, or is she
So-
more like just a?
No,
Is she
she's-
Cockney?
Yeah, no, she doesn't really have too much of an accent.
Oh, wow.
She's really cool.
Yeah.
Like, and then my dad doesn't have a French accent at all. He moved here when he was
Because
like
he knows that
3.
it's illegal here.
Yeah.
They're in America
That's the
now.
thing. You're a
Speak
fucking,
like a fucking
You're
American.
an American.
Yeah.
Actually, anywhere you go in any corner of this fucking globe, you're an American citizen.
Right.
Because without us, you guys would have nothing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and no,
Last one, Dave.
no disrespect, but since he is a French kid, I'm going to give him a pass because he's your father. But normally, I think it should be one of the laws of this great country that he has to kiss a flag every day.
Well,
Every
he-
day.
he
Because we saved him in World War II.
He watches NASCAR,
It's
so
a
I feel like
character
he's
piece.
trying to be like.
All right. Well, that's
American.
good. That's American.
watches NASCAR.
Does he? Is Derek Jeter his favorite baseball player?
I don't know. I don't know.
Well, if he's
but
not, then he's not American.
I used to work for NASCAR, and I was a NASCAR girl.
Can he teach Chrissy how to eat sushi? Because he's got to get sushi.
Do you use chopsticks?
I don't know how to use chopsticks. It's the fucking utensils of the enemy.
But you do stick him up your ass and put a GB on and jerk off.
Yeah, that's what I do. I stick them up my ass, put a hijabi on, and I jerk off.
So the neighborhood I'm staying in Brooklyn, there's a lot of bagel places and a lot of Hasidic Jews.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do
Where
they
did they
kind of-
put you up? Jesus
Well,
Christ.
No, I was up in the city 2 days, and then I got an Airbnb in Flatbush.
Why did you do
But
that?
because it was really last minute, and they gave me a per diem, and I was like, well, it was really cheap. But now I know
yeah,
why.
now you know why you shouldn't have done that.
There you
You
go.
should have talked to one of us. You could have
I
DM'd
told
one of
her
us.
not to, but it's not that bad where she's at.
You're going to let me stay in the love sack?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I got to take a piss. But the baby, I got to take a piss. I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
I kind of have
Do you
to,
have to go?
too.
All right. Well, let's just. It's an hour anyway.
Oh, we did
We
it.
did it. All right. Well,
Wait,
that
we're not talking about any history of wrestling at all?
no.
Okay,
Well,
great.
No, we. I
Yeah.
mean,
No. Well, we
you were
can't.
so
well, now I
good.
got to leave. Now it's 4.
It's 4.
So
No,
you
you were
text
so
me.
good. We did an hour.
That is great.
Yeah, that was actually one of the quickest hours that's ever went.
It was
by.
very
I
fun.
feel like it was really quick.
No, it's an hour.
Yeah,
Yeah.
an
Wow.
hour, but
Yeah.
That's great.
It's really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Well,
why
you're,
our episodes are an hour.
yeah, you just jump in. You're a
Yeah.
girl with a
I
lot
like
of
that she
confidence.
just jumped in like
jumps
that.
the
Yeah.
fuck in. She's got personality. I wasn't bored for one fucking second.
That's great.
And
And she
that's-
smells great.
You know, for his birthday,
Yeah,
And
does
Mike's
she?
pewing. Mike's pewing.
Yeah, I don't know.
you know how for his birthday you did the thing where you were like, yeah, I want to be on the Bay Ridge Boys, like you were pretending to be someone
Oh,
else.
it's in front of his friends from Ridgewood. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It was
So
one of
it's
his skits.
funny when I saw that, I was like, shit, I'm that person. Because I had a really good idea for Bay Ridge Boys, and I told
is it?
him. Well, I can't tell. I actually don't remember what I told you.
Tell us off air.
But I was like, oh, I want to be in it. And I pulled the same thing as you. I was like, oh, I feel like I have a lot of the same followers as you. Like, the wrestling fans would like it. We could put me in a bikini and objectify me and be like
Yeah.
a Baywatch person. Like,
I love
and
it.
instead of like me hitting on, like you hit on me, but I go for Giannis.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a character piece, Mrs. Pappas.
Yeah, but that's what I said. I was
Yeah.
like, I don't want Giannis's wife to get mad. And he
No,
was like,
she
no,
gets
she's
it.
cool.
She gets it on the.
She gets
if
it,
it's
yeah.
fiction, she's cool with
No,
it.
yeah,
That's
she
impor-
gets it because guess what? Mrs. Pappas wants a new house.
Right.
So if that's
Rightfully
going to get us
so.
more money,
Rightfully so.
then
She's
she's
screwed
all
it.
for it. Yeah,
Yeah.
she screwed it. She wants a new house.
Yeah, she screwed it.
Yeah,
you-
because Giannis keeps passing out on stage.
it's just what it is. I'm having a little problem right now. I need nets behind
Do you
me.
have low blood sugar?
He's just a faggot.
I'm just. Can we get away, Shang-Chi?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's
Can you
right.
say
That's
that?
right. I know.
No, it's fine. It's,
FF.
no, it's fine. You let one fly. We're close enough to 9/11 that it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If Dave Chappelle said it, can y'all say it?
Last one, Dave.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean,
no, I probably should have said it. It's in
he washed it away with an ocean away, Zhang so you're fine.
Fine.
And plus,
Just
it's but it is close to
Wait,
September
wait,
11th.
wait.
Yeah, we're close to September
I
11th.
will say
Yeah.
my gays do. I had them watch both of your comedy stuff, and they liked it.
That's
And
good.
they
So we got
loved the
support from the
shirt
gays.
of the people blowing
Oh yeah.
the Mortal Kombat.
But your
Yeah,
gays
finish him.
Do they want to crack us open though? Because I like when gay. It's really a confidence booster when gays want
Yeah,
to crack
that's
you
what
open.
I feel like,
Does it get? Do
yeah.
gays think I'm handsome?
But they always want to crack
Yeah.
him open and not me. Did they want to crack me open?
I will have
Shit.
to ask specifically. They wanted a dick pic from Chris.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So that feels,
and I was like,
okay.
"Don't worry, he has tons like in the Rolodex."
Yeah,
I'll have
some
it.
of them are real, some of them not.
All right, we gotta go. I gotta go pick up the baby.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, I was about to
Yes.
say.
At Danielle Monet, MOINET, and same with Twitter. And
Yes.
yeah, that's it.
You're such a good friend of the podcast
She's so easy,
now.
yeah.
And
Guys,
you were so good on this. Summer Rae from the WWE. Follow her one more time at Danielle, French name,
Monet.
When you said it before, when you did that cuties
Yeah, I
and
don't know what
smoothie,
you said.
you were like, sometimes you're Summer Rae, sometimes you're, and then you said Danielle
I was like,
Monet.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he's
I
just a
didn't know
kid
he
from
was-
Brooklyn.
I didn't know he was filming that, and I felt like I didn't look cute.
No, you
I
looked
wanted
very
to
cute.
That was
No,
that
no,
was
you look
that was
great.
way cute, and I love the little jingle you did. And it was
You could
awesome.
find
no
you
idea
could
what
find us at historyhyenas.com, at historyhyenas on Instagram, Christy Comedy, at Giannis Pappas, at See the Dropout, and at Mike V Suarez.
All of it's on historyhyenas.com.
Historyhyenas.com. I love cock rings.